Hi everyone, this is Bilal Khan and you are watching Simplified Coding. Welcome to Jetpack Compose crash course. Finally, Android came up with this new declarative UI toolkit to simplify and accelerate writing the application's UI. In this course, we will learn the fundamentals of Jetpack Compose. And I hope after this you will be able to completely migrate to Jetpack Compose, as I am also thinking about using Jetpack Compose for all my upcoming works. Now let's start with the very first question, that is, what is Jetpack Compose? I already told you that it is a modern toolkit for building native Android UI. Before Jetpack Compose, we were using XML to build the UI. That was the imperative approach. And that way was good, it was working fine. But now the XML way will be considered as a traditional way of building UIs, as we have Jetpack Compose that is much better than XML. Now you might ask that how Jetpack Compose is better than XML. Then here are some features of Jetpack Compose. The best thing about Jetpack Compose is it is very easy to maintain. And the primary reason for that is it uses less lines of code. You write really less amount of code to build your UI as compared to the XML approach. It's intuitive, as you just need to describe the UI and Compose will do the rest. Your UI will update automatically according to your application's state. These features will accelerate your development time, as Jetpack Compose is compatible with your existing UI methodology. You do not need to completely rewrite your complete UI to Jetpack Compose, but you can migrate to Jetpack Compose slowly and you can use it for new modules of your project. So just to use Jetpack Compose, you do not need to migrate your whole project or whole application to Jetpack Compose. Jetpack Compose is really powerful. It has native support for dark theme, material designs, animations, etc. Another reason to get started with Jetpack Compose is you will write your complete application in one single language, that is Kotlin. So no more XML and everything will be written using Kotlin as a single source of truth for your application. It uses the modern declarative approach like Flutter, React Native, etc. So I think you should give it a try. And again, Jetpack Compose is compatible with your existing XMLs. So you do not need to rewrite your whole application just to use Jetpack Compose. Now that is all for this video, friends, and from the next video we will start learning Jetpack Compose in a real Android project. Meanwhile, you can give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and you can also share this video with your friends who are into Android development. And if you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. So thanks for watching everyone. This is Bilal Khan now signing off.